everyone, Brendan from Brinkley RV here. I'm going to be giving you guys a quick walkthrough of the Smart Command Center in the Model G toy hauler. So we have the screen powered up here. On the left hand side we have various features here. Starting up top on the left we have our voltage. To the right we have our motion. So once you get to site, everything that moves getting set up, so your slide outs and your awnings. You have a main light switch, so this is going to turn on every light that is in this setting. So all these lights will power on when you press that one. Go back. So below are going to be the controls for your 3 different areas in the coach. So bedroom AC, garage air conditioner, and then your main living room air conditioner. And then below are going to be your fuel tanks, and then your fresh black and gray tank capacities as well. Over on the right hand side you have numerous different options here. So we're on all devices. You do have a favorites list, which you can go ahead and add the favorites, which will be the main things you would like. We'll go back to all devices. So right now I'm on lights. Here's going to be the monitor panel, so your tank heaters and your water pump. Will be all your awning controls. Slide it over. This is your bed lifts. This is going to be your generator. So there are a lot of different settings you can do for your generator, which we'll dive into a deeper video at another point. Slide over is going to be your leveling, and then you have your slide controls. If you need any more in-depth videos, you can find on our owner's hub, and if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out.